Hello once again. I find myself using more and more of the accessories that I have for my action camera. So today's topic is going to be repurposing items that could have been thrown away. I was down the street from where I live. One of my neighbors had a table, kind of like one of those little pop-up sales. And it wasn't really a garage sale, and wasn't really a yard sale because he was like literally almost by the curb, almost by the mailbox. So I stopped off and asked my my neighbor, it's like, what is that? And he goes, well, I'm not sure what it is, but I think at one time or another it might have been a dash camera, but it stopped working. And I go, okay. I go, well, what do you mean it stopped working? He said, well, it's not turning on anymore. So I decided just to put it out for sale. And he was planning on throwing it away. So I paid like, I don't know, $3 for it. I bring it home, and lo and behold, it's one of those high-end dash cameras. It doesn't have any accessories, any cables, any manuals. The battery is dead. So I go to the internet, and I discovered that it turns out that it is a fairly expensive dash camera. Okay, so it's in doing a little bit of research, I discovered that I think its MSRP might have been about 120 to about 150. Keeping in mind that had it been a complete item, meaning with its dash mount and its cords and of course a working battery, it probably would have been within that given price range. So deciding that $3 wasn't such a large expenditure, I decided to purchase it. Well, lo and behold, the battery is dead, but the device is not. I opened it. The actual item, the battery is soldered onto its assembly, right? So it has three cords: power and ground and charging, charge status, I believe, or something to have to do possibly with the thermal aspect of it, making sure that it doesn't get too hot in its charging processes. So the battery is replaceable, but I discovered one other thing. If you go out and purchase a very, very inexpensive auxiliary battery pack, which now once again, I generally open up items just to find out what they are. This has an 18650 battery in it. This is more than enough to power this for hours. Okay, so I've been using it off and on as a dash camera. And I thought, hey, wait a minute. I just created something just a little while ago with some of my action camera accessories or mounts. So, keeping the boring stuff out, I hot glued it to the magnetic base port cover. Right? So that's what I did. I took this part out and I put the suction port or the power port and the windshield mount. So here's the windshield assembly. You'll find that it is actually three things in one. Here's the magnetic portion, and it also has a power port off to the side, which is right here, and of course it allows you to attach it to the windshield. So I took off the cover, the dust cover. So if I place it here, now I can use it as, well, hold on. I believe this is a fail. Let me try one more time. There we go. Hold on. Okay, I had to do this off camera. I had to cut off some of the overflow glue. So, like I was discussing before, I might have to make this a little bit more secure because it pops off a little bit too easily. The dust cover isn't very strong, but I know how to modify that. Okay, I'll be able to use this as a camera, a handheld camera. I think pretty much what I'll do is I'll temporarily seal this in, and it'll attach this to this. And once I'm done using it, I'll be able to remove this and turn it back into a dash camera. Okay, so all in all, this is a working item. All I have to do is order the battery, open the device once more, and solder the new battery pack in and disposing of the old battery pack. But for right now, the alternative is to use this battery pack. Okay, bonus for today. This is a little hot plate. You can use it to melt candles and use it for its aromatic properties, or as a mug warmer for your coffee, or if you position it properly, if you like to eat your food hot, you can put your plate on here and keep your plate warm or hot. So all in all, repurposed dash camera with modifications, auxiliary battery pack, and cable to power the device. And then you've got your bonus feature, which is the multi-purpose hot plate. So thank you once again. I appreciate your patience, and y'all have a good day.